Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open browser which you use like normally. Then you have to tap here, and here you have to select history. When you're in history, just tap on clear browsing data, then select data. If you want to clear your data for past hour, past day, past week, or past month, next you have to select data format. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files. It could be also saved passwords and autofill form data. And then you just tap clear data. And as you can see, no history here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.